Hey guys, today we got a cab high fiberglass Leer 100R. It's a 2017 to 22 Ford Super Duty F250 350 with a 6.9 bed. Black in color. This one's in decent shape. Paint looks pretty decent through here. Looks good through here on the top. Top edge looked good. Looks like it had probably a beacon or something mounted up there on top at one point in time. Paint looks good through here. It has a small chip right there, and it has some chips right on the front edge. There's a couple chips on the bottom edge, but looks like they've touched them up. Just right there, and a couple right there. Really not bad. Like I said, they've been touched up. And then you got a small little chip there in the edge. Really not too bad. Look, like a couple chips right here, but they've touched those up as well. Half side sliders in the side. Sliding window in the front. A little bit of a chip here on the corner. This here just looks like compound or something, wax. Honestly, it's probably from when they built it brand new. Looks like they had, like I said, there was a beacon. I'm guessing it was a beacon here. I'm not sure why they put duct tape over it, but they did. There it is. Had a brake light or something rubbed right there, but they've touched it up with black paint as best they could, I guess. Whoever had it last. A little bit of a chip there on the corner. Down through here. It's like they've got a little bit of a chip there that's also been touched up at one point in time. Bottom edge looks good through here. Like I said, it is a sliding window in the front, so this window slides open. So that's how you access the cap from the cab and the cab from the cap. You slide that back shut. Maybe. There you go. Slide that back shut, and then you can seal it back off again. This side, bottom edge looks pretty good here. Looks like it has a little bit of tree sap right there. Top on the top edge looks good. It's like, oh, it's dirt. Okay. That makes it better. Top edge looks good. No damage through here. Bottom edge on this side looks pretty good. Not seeing any damage on this side at all. Half side slider on this side as well. Double T-handle locking rear door. Back corner has some chips, probably from the door opening and closing, what have you, and it looks like they've touched it up at one point in time in its life. Paint looks pretty good there. Paint looks pretty good on this edge as well. Oh, excuse me. Looks like they've got a, I don't know, put a screw in the frame, door frame for some reason. One there as well. And, well, I guess I thought it was touched up there, but it doesn't even look like that on this side, so it must be okay on this side. Double T handle. Inside is just bare fiberglass. Screen's in pretty good shape. One small little snag there. Top of the screen looks good. Bottom of this side looks good. You can see where they've had the whatever that plate is bolted through here. It doesn't look like it leaks at all, so they must have sealed it well because there's no stains on those screw holes. So screens on this side, pretty good. You got one small spot here, right there, the little tiny one, and then you've got One there, and then one right here. Bottom edge looks good. Bottom screen. Serial number 69 Ford Super Duty 2017, so 2017 to 2022. UG Black is the color. There it is, UG Black. There it is. Got a cab high Leer 100R series. It's a 2017 to 2022 Ford F250 350 Super Duties with the 6'9" bed, short bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website. You can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is. You can purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, those can all be purchased from us as well. So you just go to that link there, type what you're looking for in the search bar, and bring up what you're looking for. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, a certain body style cap, certain style cap, certain color, certain brand, what have you, we upload to YouTube and our website as soon as inventory comes in. So if you want to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on that. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.